Zhongshan Puluoke Baby Products Company Limited is located Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. Founded in 2017, we are a brand focused on innovative baby products with highly integrated R&D and marketing. Our philosophy is to provide innovative, modern, safe, and comfortable products for young parents aged 22 to 35, with greater attention to detail. The company is located on the first floor of the Tongmeng building. Products include strollers, baby rockers, cribs, scooters, bed rails, and other baby products. Zhongshan Xingshang Baby Products Company Limited was established by the controlling owner with a factory area of 16,600 square meters and 240 employees. We are committed to strict quality control, and our factory meets ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. Our products are exported to many countries, such as Israel, USA, Australia, Japan, Singapore, Thailand. Our products are certified by EN, ASTM, CPC. If your products have special test requirements, we will cooperate with the test according to the standard. If you have any new ideas or concepts for your products, please contact us. Our experienced staff is always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. Customer experience is also a very important part of our business, and we will respond to all your messages immediately and will provide you with a complete after-sales service to ensure a smooth selling process.